can we have a safe life, like our parents, our wallet, or even our friends can make a safe life. But thing is, this is not what we mean for. This is not what we call for. We have to do something extraordinary, something which we never done before. Tonight, when you go home, pick up your dreams from yourself and start living a new life. All you want to do is to believe yourself. You can fly high with your wings, the most powerful wing of an MBA. All you want to do is believe yourself and trust yourself. When you trust that you are an MBA and you can fly high and achieve these great struggles of this world, you can do that. From my past experience of 2 years of MBA, I learned so many things. The persons who were very close to me and even known as best friend far away and became a stranger to me. And the persons whom I consider like a stranger came very close to me and became as a best friend. I wonder why, but in my heart, I just know this is all the part of the life. From my experience, I really want to tell that if you want to learn, gain respect from others, all you want to do is, especially in the corporate sector, all you want to do is you should be firm and right in your decisions. If you take in some decisions and ask somebody to follow, you should be the first to follow that. Then only you will get respect in that. At the peak time of getting graduate and this happiest moment, I don't know why, my heart is pulling me back and tears filling my eyes. It's my mind which is happy, but my heart is very sad. The thing is, you realize that it's the last section or it's the last time of my campus life. No more campus life to my life. What I think is, my friend out here used to ask me whenever he used to see me, like, Sam, you still alive? All I want to tell is to everybody, yeah, I'm still. It's all because of you people to keep my spirits alive. We have wonderful faculties out here and wonderful people out here. All I want to say is, this actually what we had in my MBA life is like a two-way education style. They taught us, our faculties, lecturers taught us how we can be a professional MBA, and we teach them what is the importance of being patient in a lecture. For example, they told us to submit a project, and we are still telling, be patient, we'll submit on one day. So it's like a both-way relationship that is going on. We have wonderful Bulbul Park or Chulbul. I still have a problem with that. Okay, I have a wonderful canteen and a wonderful snack bar. All these were the places we have cherishable moments given birth to. And these places were more beautiful, wonderful, even awesome. To sit, chat for hours and emerge new thoughts only and only if you are bunking the class and sitting out there. So I really hardly congratulations to all people who bunked and have a wonderful time out there. Still I remember on those occasions, our dear HOD used to come out there and he used to found us. Even though he won't utter a word, he just look at us and give a wonderful smile. The smile only contains only one major thing. The smile contains only one major thing. Like he says like this, I got you, like that. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful smile and not bringing us back to classes. Thank you. And we have a, okay. And all I want to say is, like, we have a wonderful life out here in MBA department. And I got a wonderful gang. I should tell that the one thing which is common out there in our gang is, we all were like to roam. And what else we saw, they showed us entire Bangalore, even Mysore, even up to Mangalore. Thanks for the gang for making me a wonderful occasion at the time. From my life, I just want to tell like this, the sweetness of all those things that you feel like disturbing and ignoring you will only taste when it stops. And because it's seasonal. All I want to say is, if you feel like somebody disturbed you and somebody irritating you during this MBA life, all I want to say is, it will be sweet and more sweetest when you went out and stay back alone. And whether you will accept or not, what we are now is not what we are past. We changed in past 2 years. We changed a lot. Some became better and some became the best. What will happen is, my friend out there, she told me a wonderful sentence in Kannada. If it's wrong in pronunciation, please forgive me. It's like, Ellam agadu ulladike. That means that means that what all is happening is for good only, and I believe that what all happened in our life and what is going to happen, that also good only. In the 2 years, like a potter mold his vessel, our faculties mold us for good things. Something maybe we won't feel like good, something we feel like irritated, but they mold us to being as a professional and perfect MBA. Thanks for all the faculty for that. As we know that nothing was belongs to us. When we came to here, we are just like a foreigners. We studied here. Even we don't that this campus was not belongs to us, and this none of this Easters was belongs to us. But still, we feel hurted, and we feel like so much crying. Even tears are filling our eyes because only one thing that we're gonna leave this. So I like to conclude that like this. Until this moment, I never know that. I never understood that how hard is to lose something which was never belongs to you. To lose something which was not at yours at all. I wish you everybody a wonderful and brightest future ahead. And thanks for the faculty to give me this wonderful opportunity. May God bless us abundantly in future. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. I would now like to request our beloved principal to kindly administer the graduation.